Alrighty guys, today we're going to be installing the Performance Racing HFM Racing Performance Exhaust with the fuel optimizer. I already have everything ripped apart for the last couple videos, or this is the first video. I'm installing multiple things. Show you guys how to tune it and everything, hopefully this video. Hopefully I don't blow nothing up, because YouTube, there's nothing on YouTube to even remotely show you how to fucking even plug this thing in, even though it's pretty simple. I already figured it out, but I'm gonna hopefully make this a useful video for you guys. Alright, so first off, you're gonna want to go to where your fuel injector wire is, which there's usually a center console right here on these Yamaha Kodiak 700s, but as of right now I have it taken off. If you need to know how to take it all off, it's fairly simple. Probably go find it on YouTube. I'm not going to show you that because it's simple to figure that out. If you're mechanically inclined, you can easily figure it out. But anyway, I have it taken off because I'm installing a snorkel kit as well. But you take this clip off basically, and then you take the black part on your fuel optimizer, plug this part into the part that you just unplugged, plug it in the right fucking way, then you plug the optimizer into the fuel injection just like that, and then that's plugged in. And then you need to route this where you're going to want it, because you're going to have to get access to this while the machine's running. Alrighty guys, so got the little cover off after I stripped out the hole and had to fucking, yeah, just pissed with this for literally like 2 hours as I run to the fucking Harbor Freight and grab fucking this whole fucking set. Finally got that out though. I don't even think I'm gonna put that back on. Mainly, well, I mean, I might just do it with the one screw I got, but don't strip them out. That's not very fun. So I gotta get this spring off. There's a spring below it. Then there is a 12mm bolt there, and I think it just comes on after that. Damn. Alright, that was the old. In with the new. But we're gonna go ahead and try starting her up. I started it up, as you guys could probably see, with nothing on, and that shit was loud. So hopefully this is not that loud, or I'm gonna put that fucker back on.